Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today's topic is gastric tumors. The various types of tumors like lesions, polyps, and benign and malignant tumors of the stomach are given below. First, tumor-like lesions, polyps. First is hyperplastic inflammatory polyps, and second is hematoma, hematomatous polyps. Second, benign tumors. First is epithelial adenomas, adenomatous or neoplastic polyps, or non-epithelial gastrointestinal spindle cell tumors. Malignant tumors. First is epithelial, which is 90%, adenocarcinoma and others. Second is non-epithelial, is 2%, which is leiomyosarcoma, leiomyoblastoma, epithelial leiomyoma. Third is carcinoid tumors, which is 3%, and fourth is lymphoma, which is 4%. Now, gastric carcinoma, which is most common. Incidence. Carcinoma of the stomach comprises more than 90% of all gastric malignancies and is the leading cause of cancer-related death in countries where its incidence is high. The highest incidence is between 4th to 6th decades of life and is twice more common in men than in women. Location of gastric carcinoma. Pylorus and antrum has 50 to 60% of chances. Cardiac region is 50 to 30%. Body and fundus have 15 to 25%, in which the lesser curvature is involved about 40% and the greater curvature is about 12%. Etiology. A number of etiological factors have been implicated in causation of gastric cancer. These are H. pylori infection, dietary factors, geographical factors where Japan, Chile, and Italy have the highest recorded death rate from gastric cancer, while the incidence is considerably low in the US, UK, and Canada. Racial factors, high risk in blacks, and genetic factors. Sixth is pre-malignant changes in the gastric mucosa, which is hypo or achlorhydria, adenomatous neoplastic polyps, chronic gastric ulcers, or stump carcinoma in patients who have undergone partial gastrectomy. Spread. Carcinoma of the stomach may spread by the following routes. First is direct spread. Direct spread by local extension is the most common feature of gastric carcinoma. The spread occur mainly from the loose submucosal layer, but eventually muscularis and serosa are also invaded. Lymphatic spread. Metastasis to regional lymph nodes occur early, especially in the squamous carcinoma. The group of lymph node involved are along the lesser and greater curvature around the cardia and suprapancreatic lymph nodes. Involvement of left supraclavicular lymph node, Virchow's or Troyer's sign is sometimes the presenting feature of gastric carcinoma. Third is hematogenous spread. Blood spread of gastric carcinoma may occur to the liver, lung, brain, bone, kidney, and adrenals. It occurs more commonly with the poorly differentiated carcinoma. Now, clinical features. Clinical features are persistent abdominal pain, gastric distension and vomiting, loss of weight, loss of appetite, anemia, weakness, and malaise. Morphology. Carcinomas are broadly classified into two main groups. First is early gastric carcinoma, and second is advanced gastric carcinoma, which have five further major cross subtypes, which are ulcerative carcinomas, fungating या polypoid carcinoma, Screen's carcinoma, or Linitis plastica, colloid or mucoid carcinoma, or ulcer cancer. Grossly, the lesion of early gastric carcinoma may have three patterns. First is polypoid, second is superficial, and third is ulcerated. And type 1 is polypoid type, type second A is superficial elevated, type second B is superficial flat, type second C is superficial depressed, and type third is ulcerated type. These are the diagram shown. Type 1 polypoid type, type second A is superficial elevated, type second B is superficial flat, type second C is superficially depressed, and type 3 is ulcerated type. The most common complication of gastric cancer is hemorrhage in the form of hematemesis and or melena. Other are obstruction, perforation, and jaundice. Gastric carcinoma remains undiagnosed until late when the symptoms appear. Therefore, the prognosis is generally poor. 5-year survival rate being 5 to 15% from the time of diagnosis of advanced gastric carcinoma. However, 5-year survival rate for early gastric carcinoma is far higher, 93 to 99%, and hence the need for early diagnosis of the condition. Thank you.